How many of you all feel that being tall is also a problem? Or do you feel so because you don't really know how to dress up correctly according to your height? Hi, welcome back to our series on fashion and styling. There are so many videos on my channel for short-heighted women, how to look taller, sari tips for short-heighted women, styling tips for short height and plus size, because that is what I mostly get queries about. But lately I have been noticing that taller girls are equally troubled and cannot figure out what to wear so as to look shorter. Honestly, I never realized that being tall could also be a problem. Rather, you guys are extra blessed by God. Not everyone has this amazing height as yours. But when I try to think from your perspective, I totally understand how you must be feeling being different from everyone around you. Sometimes that tends to give you a complex. I'm gonna share all those tips with you in this video that you can use to look shorter in your daily routine. So do stick with me till the end, and if you don't follow me or haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then please do so now. Also click on the bell icon so that you never miss any of my videos. First of all, you have to have color contrast in all your outfits, be it Indian or Western. Like your top and bottom and even shoes should be all of different colors. Divide the length of your body in different parts. You need to avoid wearing a single color from top to toe or even monochromatic colors. Similar colors will make you look leaner and even taller. So color contrast is very important. A very smart trick to look shorter is to keep the focus towards the lower part of your outfit. If the focal point is anywhere up towards the neck, then the person in front of you would have to look all the way up. That's when he would realize how tall you are, even more. So, keeping the focus somewhere below is very important. You can either wear some embroidered skirts or have some broad and prominent borders around the hem of your dress. Some zipper detailing if you are wearing jeans, or something like laces and all in the lower part of your outfit. You can even wear some fancy shoes or carry a statement bag to draw attention. Just don't let the focus go upwards. Then any design that is placed horizontally would work very well for you. For example, horizontal stripes or color blocking. Designs that have yokes or have a lot of borders. Basically, anything that would divide your length and add some width, which would eventually make you look shorter. Talking about trousers and jeans, you should wear only low waist or mid waist at the max. And if you end up wearing anything with a high waist, then wear your top out instead of tucking it in. Else you would look even taller than your actual height. And try getting trousers in some stiff fabrics only. Go for ankle length trousers instead of full length. And wide leg or at least straight leg instead of skinny fit would look better on you. All of these will help creating some width and not length. Wear flat shoes with wide leg. You can even have some detailing at the bottom of your pants. Maybe some cuffs or buttons or zippers. Even capris are a good option for you, but they aren't in trend these days. And if you're fond of wearing skirts, then avoid any fitted or maxi skirts. These give quite an elongated look. Rather, go for something that ends above your knees. You can wear an A-line skirt easily, or some style that adds some volume around your hips. These two should have some elements that are placed horizontally. You can wear long tops or sweaters and coats to make your legs look shorter. These will make your torso look longer and would cover up your long legs to some extent. When you are layering different pieces, then make sure that each layer is of a different length. For example, if you layer a jacket over a sweater or a top, then try that both of them are of different lengths. And if you're gonna add a scarf to it, then drape it in a way that it ends at a different length than the other two. This too shall create horizontal divisions. Even off-shoulder tops would work very well for you. The bare part of your shoulders would be visibly taken away from your length. Human eye tends to notice and calculate the area covered in fabric first. You can try any kind of loose tops and oversized styles. Again, these will create broadness in your upper body and make your overall frame look shorter. High neck and exaggerated or fluffy sleeves would also look good on you. When everything would be covered up and fluffed up, it will create bulk here around the top. Leave your hair down instead of a high pony or a bun. And if you're wearing any single colored outfit, then make sure to wear some broad belt in a contrast color along with it. And tie it little lower than your natural waistline. Then we'll talk about a very important element, and that is shoes. One of the major concerns of any tall girl would be not being able to wear heels. You're so bored of wearing shoes and flats all the time. So if you want to wear heels, then go for something with ankle straps. These would create a very obvious horizontal division and would make your legs look somewhat shorter. Whether it's heels or flats, go for a rounded toe instead of a pointed one. This will make your foot appear shorter and hence your legs shorter too. You must try some bold and bright colored shoes as well. Even the ones with some big embellishments would be a great help in shifting the focus downwards. Lastly, we'll talk about handbags and purses. You can easily carry really big and bulky handbags. You would automatically look smaller in comparison to a huge bag that you would be carrying on your shoulder. I hope you like all of these tips. Do let me know in the comments below. And if you have any personal tried and tested tips, then do share those too with me. And do share this video with all your extra tall friends and cousins. Thank you so much for watching.